Hey, what's up? In this video I want to compare 4K action cameras, but one of them costs $50 and the other is just over $100. You know, I was planning to make this video months ago, but it took a little longer than I thought it would. Anyway, now the video is ready, and I can see that 4K action cameras are not all the same. We will compare Victure AC700 and Victure AC940 action cameras. Both of them have 4K resolution, electronic image stabilization, and many different accessories in the package. Okay, let's start the review with unboxing and look at accessories. The boxes of Victure action cameras have the same design. On the front we can see that both cameras have a 4K Ultra HD resolution. However, looking ahead, I want to say that video quality is very different. They also have 20 megapixels photo resolution, 2-inch HD screen, 40 meters waterproof, remote control and other features. When you open the boxes, you will find an action cameras in the waterproof cases. There are also many other adapters, brackets and mounts to install action cameras on the bike, helmet, etc. However, I have never used them, so I don't know which one for what. Both action cameras have remote controls and 2 batteries. However, only Victure AC700 comes with external microphone. It seems that Victure AC940 doesn't support external microphone at all, because there is no interface for connecting the mic. Now let's talk about design of action cameras. The first and one of the main features of a Victure AC940 action camera is waterproof body. You can use the camera under the water up to 8 meters without additional waterproof case. In addition, it looks like the body of a Victure AC940 action camera is durable. It is made of metal and I think it is not afraid of dust. That's very good. However, both action cameras come with waterproof cases. Using them, the cameras can be immersed under the water up to 40 meters. By the way, because of the metal body, Victure AC940 action camera weighs more than Victure AC700, 130 and 58 grams respectively. The budget action camera has a power mode button on the front, up-down buttons on the right side, and a OK button at the top. There is also HDMI port, micro USB port, SD card slot, and external microphone interface on the left side. The battery compartment is at the bottom. Talking about Victure AC940, it has a power button on the right side, menu and shoot buttons on the top, micro USB and HDMI ports on the left side. A battery cover and tripod mount are at the bottom. Another big difference between these action cameras is that Victure AC940 has touchscreen. To operate Victure AC700 action camera, you need to use the physical buttons on the body. It is much more comfortable for me to use a touchscreen. Now let's take a look at the settings of action cameras. First, you can swipe on the display of a Victure AC940 action camera to change video and photo mode. Then you can press on normal to choose video mode, such as normal, seamless, V time-lapse, slow motion, fast motion and Wi-Fi. You can also tap on the single to change the photo mode, single, burst, P time-lapse, countdown, long exposure and Wi-Fi. The icon in the left bottom corner is a gallery. The icon in the right corner is the settings menu. In the settings menu, we have video settings, general settings and return. As you can see, the maximum video resolution is 4K 60 FPS. There is also electronic image stabilization, and it is available in 4K resolution. Victure AC700 also has 4K resolution, but only 30 FPS. However, electronic image stabilization is available only in 2.7K 30 FPS resolution. Both action cameras have loop recording, time-lapse and slow motion. From other side, Victure AC940 has wind noise reduction and auto low light. The budget action camera doesn't have these features. By the way, you can use both action cameras as dash cams. Both of them have driving and car modes. There are many other settings available, but I think I have shown you the most important ones. Now let's watch the videos I showed on the Victure action cameras. As I already said, $50 action camera has a maximum 4K 30 FPS resolution. However, the problem is that an electronic image stabilization is available only in 2.7K 30 FPS. The video in 4K is very shaky. It is impossible to shoot a smooth video in 4K on Victure AC700 action camera. Talking about Victure AC940, it has a maximum resolution of 4K 60 FPS. There is a support of electronic image stabilization in 4K. The video is much better on $100 action camera. Do you agree? As for the shooting video in low light conditions, both action cameras are very weak. However, it is a problem of most action cameras, even more expensive than Victure AC700 and Victure AC940. So after testing $50 and $100 action cameras, I would choose more expensive because it has image stabilization in 4K resolution. Victure AC700 also has 4K resolution, but electronic image stabilization is available only in 2.7K, so the footage in 4K is very shaky. However, I think that $50 action camera can be good for still shooting, for example on the tripod or even dash cam. The other advantages of a Victure AC940 is metal waterproof body and touchscreen. In general, $100 action camera looks and feels more reliable and higher quality than $50 camera. So Victure AC940 is a very good action camera for $100, and I think it can be compared with the more expensive cameras on the market, such as GoPro. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.